Good morning, my loves. Hope you all doing well. Welcome back to a brand new all-day cleaning video. Today we are going to be cleaning this house from bottom to the top. And if you are ready for this whole house cleaning motivation, go get your cleaning materials, cleaning products, cleaning gadgets, and let's get started. So before we get started, let's just unbox these kitchen organizers and home decors I got from Amazon and Temu. These are home and refrigerator organizers I got from Temu. This one in particular is a pressing iron storage rack. I got this and I would be installing this around the kitchen area where I can have easy access to that, because sometimes I love to iron around in the kitchen. So before using any of these organizers, I'm just going to wash up everything before using them.
I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast?
So you guys, these are the food items and fruits I ordered online yesterday. They delivered everything this morning, and I'm just going to be washing these fruit items, just white vinegar, and then leave it to drain and allow to dry before putting them away in the refrigerator. This is the Zweiling Safe and Fresh Food Organizer I got from Amazon, and the fresh veggies and container bottles that I got from Amazon as well.
I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line.
Still in the cold season, and I'm out here in the wood storage to pick some firewood so I can start the heater to get my home hot. It's just been raining all week here, and the weather is getting more and more frozen here. Can't just wait to get some hot in the house while I do my chores this morning. And starting up my fire, I'm just going to clean up the heater from the ash, and then I will be starting the fire right away because it's so cold right now. And yeah, once I'm done cleaning the fireplace, I will just start my laundry. So I'll be doing the laundry as well this morning. What I'm going to be doing is just putting the clothes right in the washing machine. So while it's washing, I will start the living room.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways.
Hope you all have your cleaning equipment, cleaning products close by you. We are just ready. We are so ready to start right now. So first of all, I'm trying to open the windows and clear up everything I have there in the around the dining chairs, and I will be hoovering and cleaning the dining chairs. And when I'm all done doing this, the next thing I will be doing is cleaning and organizing. So I can't tell you how much dust I was able to vacuum out of the dining chairs. And once I was done doing this, the next thing I did was hoover the floor and started deep cleaning as well. To maintain a clean home and freshness, I'll be giving you simple tips that has really helped me over the years, especially during the winters, to maintain clean and tidy home. Always love opening my windows to allow air circulation every day for at least 10 minutes. This helps to create freshness in the home. To help maintain a clean and dust-free home, I always love to deep clean. So this is my tip number 2. I deep clean at least twice a week. To maintain a clean home, I usually add some essential oil to my cleaning water, and this really do help to give your home that nice smell that it deserves.
Don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way
It's time to clean the Highland chairs. That's the teacups cabinet that I'm organizing right now. I got those teacups and coffee cups from Ethiopia a few years back, and I really love the outcome of this kitchen cabinet. And yeah, you can see how beautiful it looks. I always love twisting things around my home. Like these flowers used to be in the dining table, so now I changed the flowers and now I'm using it for the kitchen. So this is my living area as well. I'm changing some of the artificial plants and the chair pillows there. I'm also changing them. So I always like twisting things around in my home, and yeah, this really helps your home to look fresh at all times. Also cleaning my son's bathroom, and also, I will be changing the carpets as well. I also did use some essential oil here to maintain freshness. I did also use some natural wood product to clean, and yeah, this really do help to maintain the wood floor that we have there. To round up my chores for today, I'll be showing you guys my little folding and ironing techniques. So work on, and you'll be seeing how I fold my t-shirts, how I fold my trousers, how I do these chairs easily. And yeah, so you guys, if you've watched to this end and you do really enjoy what you're seeing, do give this video a like, leave a comment down below, because this really do help our channel to grow. And yeah, share with your friends, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Ciao ciao.
That I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. Yeah, you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better